Good morning, guys. How are you doing? This is day 4 of Vlogmas. Oh my gosh, you guys, tell you something funny at the same time stupid. So for the last 2 days I've been complaining of blurry vision. Every time I wake up I'm like, what the hell is happening with my eyesight? So today I kind of felt panicked in a way, because this is like the second day that I couldn't really see. I thought I was starting I thought I was going blind already, because I am nearsighted and I wear contacts most of the time. So this morning when I woke up, I couldn't even read what's right in front of me. So I'm like, okay, as soon as the husband wakes up, I'm gonna have to go to the emergency room. That's what I have been thinking already. And then I'm like, wait a second, what's going on? So when I put my phone way back, like this distance, I can read. And that's not supposed to be the case, right? Because I am nearsighted. Guys, it's stupidity at its finest. Came to find out, I was freaking sleeping for 2 straight nights with my contacts on. My God, senior moments. I forgot to remove my contacts. But stupid, right? So I'm not wearing contacts on right now just to give my poor eyes a break from 2 days of I couldn't believe that it happened. So for 2 days of non-stop 48 hours or maybe even more of wearing my contacts. I don't even understand why I forgot that. But anyways, problem solved. At least I'm not going blind, right? But anyway, so like I said, no contacts today, no makeup on, just moisturizer and sunscreen. We're going out to the park for a quick run with the dog, and I will bring you guys there. It's a little bit chilly. Oh my God, eye bags. Yeah. It's a little bit it's a little bit funny, this feeling inside. Kathryne, you don't have a voice of an angel, so you gotta just stop singing. I know I can dance, but I'd rather have a voice of an angel, but unfortunately voice of a devil. Anyway, before we go, I like to show you this sweatshirt that says happiest in Hawaii. So cool. Yeah, it's very comfortable to wear, and rose gold silk screen. What is it called? Yeah, rose gold silk screen. So we're right here at the park. It is really windy. Sunscreen on,